Welcome to our digital door lock maintenance tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you on how to get to know your digital door lock. If you haven't had a chance to peek at some of our other digital door lock videos, check out the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Keeping your batteries fresh is key. When your door lock flashes a low battery notification and beeps thrice upon locking or unlocking, it's time for a change. Typically, you've got about 2 days to a week before your batteries run out completely. Swap out all the old batteries with 8 high-quality AA alkaline batteries. In the event you miss the opportunity to change your batteries and your door lock stops functioning completely, a 9-volt battery will provide you enough charge to be able to use your fob or your PIN code. Please see the description below for our tutorial on how to provide emergency power. In some cases, a number from 1 to 9 may flash on your door lock to indicate an error when a certain action is performed. Number 1. 5 or more incorrect attempts trigger the alarm, which then disables after a minute. Number 2. PIN or fob registration failed. Number 3. Maximum quantity of PIN codes have been stored. Number 4. Deadbolt is jammed or blocked by foreign object. Number 5. Tamper alert. Someone's trying to force the lock. Number 6. Unregistered PIN code was used. Number 7. Unregistered fob was used. Number 8. Fire alert. The smart lock is sensing a high temperature in the suite. Number 9. Double lock is activated from inside, so a fob or PIN will not work for entry. If you encounter the digital door lock where all the keys are displayed quickly when attempting to lock or you're unable to engage the lock, this means the door magnet is damaged and will need to be addressed by your property manager. In the rare occurrence, your digital door lock may require a reboot if the LED lights are not illuminating at all. In this instance, we recommend using a SIM pin, point of a paperclip, or something similar to push the reset button on the digital door lock. Thanks for tuning in. If you need more info, see the description below for links to our support page.